Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Baskin Robbins ice cream maker is probably one of the most exciting kitchen appliances for any dessert lover, allowing you to craft delicious, homemade ice cream right in your own kitchen with the iconic flavors of Baskin Robbins, transforming ordinary moments into extraordinary sweet experiences and bringing the joy of a scoop shop right to your home. Number 5. Nostalgia 4QT Electric Ice Cream Maker. Say goodbye to manual churning. With this powerful electric ice cream maker, you can create up to 4 quarts of rich, creamy ice cream in no time. It makes homemade ice cream a breeze, perfect for any occasion. Why limit yourself to just one flavor? This versatile machine lets you make a wide variety of frozen treats, from indulgent gelato to smooth frozen yogurt. Create unique, creamy desserts exactly how you like them, right in your own kitchen. Turn dessert into a fun family bonding experience. This ice cream maker is safe and simple for kids to use, allowing them to make their own delicious soft-serve treats. It's the perfect way to make family time even sweeter. Love the vintage charm but hate the effort? This machine combines nostalgic appeal with modern efficiency. Enjoy the best of both worlds, timeless design and hassle-free operation for delicious homemade ice cream. Get ready to enjoy delicious, homemade ice cream, gelato, or frozen yogurt in minutes. This electric ice cream maker does all the hard work for you. Simply add your ingredients and let it do the rest. What we like? If you love the classic look of old-fashioned ice cream makers but want modern convenience, this is the one for you. It effortlessly churns up to 4 quarts, perfect for family gatherings. Its vintage wooden style adds a charming touch to your kitchen, making it ideal for those who appreciate both aesthetics and ease of use. What people say? Worked well and ice cream ready in about 30 minutes. It's very easy to use and makes smooth, creamy ice cream in no time. It makes a lot of ice cream but doesn't take up a lot of storage room. Number 4. Nostalgia Electric Ice Cream Maker, 4 quart. Enjoy a fun ice cream experience with modern convenience. You can make ice cream, frozen yogurt, or gelato right at home. Get creative and make your own unique flavors. Our ice cream maker pairs perfectly with nostalgia ice cream kits. Try our delicious vanilla, chocolate, or strawberry mixes. They are excellent for parties or any snack time. Make delicious homemade ice cream in just 20 minutes. The powerful electric motor does all the churning for you. No more manual effort is needed. Take this ice cream maker to parties or a friend's house with ease. It features a convenient carrying handle attached to the bucket. Moving it wherever you need it is simple. We offer unique, novel, and fun products for the whole family. Our designs preserve the past while embracing the present. Enjoy timeless appeal with our appliances. What we like? For those who enjoy making ice cream but also like to share the fun, this model with its convenient carrying handle is a great choice. It whips up delicious frozen treats in just 20 minutes, making it perfect for parties or impromptu get-togethers. If you're looking for a quick, easy, and portable way to enjoy homemade ice cream, this is the one to consider. What people say? Makes ice cream in about 20 minutes. The ice cream maker is easy to use and clean. It makes delicious homemade ice cream. Number 3. Nostalgia 6QT Electric Ice Cream Maker. Enjoy a fun ice cream experience with modern convenience. You can make ice cream, frozen yogurt, or gelato, or create your own unique and delicious flavors. Our ice cream makers pair perfectly with all nostalgia ice cream kits. Try our popular flavors or the premium starter kit, which is excellent for any occasion. Make delicious homemade ice cream in just 20 minutes. The powerful electric motor does all the churning for you, so there's no more manual effort. Take it anywhere you go. It has a convenient carrying handle attached to the bucket, making it easy to move no matter where you need it. We offer unique, novel, and fun products for the family. We preserve the past, embrace the present, and look forward to the future. What we like? If you're often entertaining or have a larger family, this larger capacity model is an excellent option. It still offers the quick and easy electric churning you'd expect, combined with the charming vintage aesthetic. Choose this if you need to make more ice cream at once without sacrificing style or convenience. What people say? Worked well and ice cream ready in about 30 minutes. Plus it's a cute design, reminds me of our old crank ice cream maker when I was a kid. It's very easy to use and makes smooth, creamy ice cream in no time. The instructions are clear, and the machine runs quietly and efficiently. It holds about 2 gallons of ice cream. Doesn't take long to make it either. My ice cream turned out great. Number 2. Hawaiian Shaved Ice Machine Kit S900A. Create fluffy shaved ice right in your kitchen with this electric machine. It's perfect for making margaritas, slushies, iced coffee, and any frozen treat you can imagine. Set up your own icy treat station at home with this easy-to-use and clean countertop maker. It's portable and stores conveniently when not in use. This kit includes the machine, 3 delicious syrup flavors, cups, straws, pourers, and ice molds. You'll have everything needed to get the party started. Each syrup bottle makes about 8 flavored cones, and the entire kit can create up to 24 cones. You can even adjust the flavor to your liking. Operating it is simple with a standard plug-in. It's also designed for convenient storage when you're done making your frozen delights. Our syrups are made with your well-being in mind, free from common allergens like nuts, soy, wheat, dairy, starch, flour, or egg products. They are shelf-stable and ready to use. Beyond shaved ice, these syrups add a delightful twist to cocktails, sodas, coffee, and more. Give your favorite drinks a new flavor dimension. What we like. If your craving is for shaved ice rather than traditional ice cream, this kit is perfect for you. It comes with everything you need to get started, including 3 popular flavors and cups. If you're looking for a fun, refreshing treat maker that's simple to operate and great for hot days, this is the ideal choice. What people say. When you use the molds, it comes out soft and fluffy, absolutely perfect, and grinds very smoothly. This machine is durable and works flawlessly. The machine is still really cool and definitely shaves the ice good. Number 1. Ninja CREAMi Ice Cream Maker NC301. Unlock a world of frozen desserts. This machine transforms simple ingredients into delicious ice cream, sorbet, milkshakes, and more with just one touch. Take full control of your ingredients. Create personalized frozen treats that fit your lifestyle, whether you prefer low sugar, dairy-free, or classic indulgence. Elevate your creations by adding your favorite mix-ins. Customize every bite with chocolate, fruit, nuts, and candy for a truly unique flavor experience. With 7 one-touch programs, achieving the perfect texture is effortless. Select your desired treat type and let it do the work. Making your favorite frozen dessert is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Prepare your base, freeze overnight, process, and enjoy your delicious creation. Not quite perfect? Use the respin function to achieve an even softer and creamier texture for ultimate satisfaction. What we like. For the ultimate in frozen dessert customization, this machine is the top pick. It allows you to control every ingredient, catering to dietary needs like keto or vegan, and offers 7 different programs for endless possibilities. If you love experimenting with flavors and textures, and want to add your favorite mix-ins, this is the machine for you. What people say. The consistency of the ice cream is perfect and it functions wonderfully. It fits on the counter and it's going to stay there. Not a big footprint at all. This processes 1 pint of ice cream at a time and it's ready to eat in literally 2 minutes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.